Neopenda is a needs-based medical technology company that focuses on designing and implementing medical technologies, particularly for the constraints that we see in most of the world's population. Our founding product, NeoGuard, is a clinical vital signs monitor designed to provide high-quality care to neonatal patients in resource-constrained facilities. The device makes it possible to simultaneously monitor 4 key vitals across a heavy patient load, allowing healthcare workers to access real-time data to prioritize and respond to patients with the most urgent needs. When the COVID pandemic hit, we realized that we had an obligation or responsibility to adapt our neonatal monitor for use in adults to be able to help respond to the pandemic. So that included adjusting the alarm limits, creating a larger headband for adult patients, and even started doing remote patient monitoring prototyping. So a variety of different things that led to a couple of pilots, not just in our launch country of Kenya, but also in Uganda and here in the US. mHUB has been such an incredible partner to Neopenda. We've really enjoyed the access to prototyping equipment, the space to be able to work out of, the collaborations with other consultants, and a variety of mentors. All of this has really enabled us to design efficiently and implement and scale to the populations that need our devices the most. Thank you, mHUB.